Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Instagram comments are not showing. So if I tap just right here, you can see your comments. I can see my comments because I did two things. The first thing is make sure that if you go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, that your Wi-Fi is strong and good enough so you have internet connection. If you are not using your Wi-Fi, then go to mobile service and make sure that you are using the right mobile service with good and strong connection. Because one problem by the comments are not showing up is that your internet or your Wi-Fi is not strong enough. The second thing how we can fix this is go back to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and then scroll to Instagram. From there, tap on Instagram and then tap on Offload App and then Offload App again. Then make sure that you reinstall the app. Alright, Instagram is downloaded again, and now if you tap on Instagram and we go to a post and tap on comments, you need to see your comments again. These are the two ways how you can fix this, and when it's still not working, please comment it below so maybe I can help you on another way. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.